In this video, I will show you how to check your Instagram account activity. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up the Instagram app on our phone. Once you open up the Instagram app on your phone, go ahead and select your profile picture, which you're going to see at the bottom right. Go ahead and tap the three lines that you see right here at the top right corner of your screen. And what you're going to do is select your activity. Now here is where you can view and manage all your Instagram activity, including your interactions, your content, and of course your account activity. Starting off with interactions, if you select likes, here is where you can see every single post that you have liked in the last few days. You can also select comments, which is going to allow you to see every single comment that you have made in the last few days as well. And you can do the same thing for repost, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. Under your activity, you can also see the posts that you have recently deleted and also archived. If you want to bring back a post that you deleted, or for some reason you archived, but you want to bring it back to your feed, here is where you can do it. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can also check your activity like your posts, your reels, and your highlights. All the way at the bottom is where you can see how much time you are spending on Instagram every single day. And you can also set a daily limit. This daily limit is going to remind you to close Instagram when you spend a certain amount of time a day using the app. So for example, I'm going to set it to 1 hour because I think I need to use Instagram a lot less. And all the way to the bottom is where you can also see how you use Instagram. So for example, the amount of time that you're spending on the app every single day, your account history, your recent searches, and your link history. Now you know how to manage and see your Instagram activity. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.